Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Amazon. So, first, you may want to head over to printify.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on your store, then click on Add a new store. And from the lists of channels, just select Amazon, and you have an option here to create a new store. So apparently this is the only option available. So start by adding your store name, then proceed by clicking on connect. Next is connecting your Amazon account. So select your target market if it's Amazon US or if you have an existing Amazon seller account. And of course, these two are mandatory. Then proceed by clicking on connect. You will then be prompted to your Amazon seller account, and all you have to do is enter in your login credentials. So once you're logged into your Amazon seller account, everything is pretty much set up. Just follow any on-screen prompt if there's any to finalize connection of your Amazon account and Printify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!